Well, this is my first time ever buying anything from JB Bugs. So we're going to see how good they are. Let's open it up. Just pretend that opened. Okay, let's see how this packaging is. Ooh, sticker. There's mission mounts. Is left or is this right? This one is right. That'll be this one here. Yep. There. Oh, had that on camera. Is it the right one or the left one? Light. I don't know why I'm. My lefts and rights mixed up quite a bit today. Joys of ADHD. Wait, Alice is right. I'll figure out which one's which. Let's get the jack the transmission up, and wait, hold on. No bolts. I didn't come with any bolts. Now I can find what to do with those bolts and find some bolts. Great. Stickers on the ground. I didn't really buy any bolts for it, so. Ow, motherfucker. Oh yeah, so if you're wondering why I'm using the window, door handle's broken. So I have to reach in onto the inner door handle to open it. There's the hole mount, which was broken. Where did I throw? Uh-oh. That's Andrew hanging it. I'll be right back when I hopefully find the bolts. Oh, there's my thumb. I don't know if I can get to zoom in on it. There we go. That hurt. We'll be right back when I hopefully find the bolts, or not find them. Because I had them, and I don't know where they are now. Found them. They were in the back barn in a tote. I looked all through the front barn, I looked all through my box trailer, and they were in the back barn. But I got them. And now, I forgot the jack. As I walked right by it. Well, I guess not quite right by it, but you get the point. And you might be wondering, why didn't I put it up there? Too damn hard to push it up onto there. Yeah, I think. Ew, you piece of junk. I don't know how far up I can push that before I accidentally end up popping those out. Okay. Well, that's gonna go. That's definitely not that side. Come on. There we go. Okay, I gotta drop down a little bit for that one. Can't do this one-handed, so give you back once I get this one in. Well, I got started, but this is the biggest sock that toolbox has. It's not big enough. So, I'm gonna have to try to find. This is the drawer. That's probably gonna be too big. So that, if not, I have to try to find something. Well, take out the impact sockets, because, yeah, that is way too big. Okay. Where's right there? No, that doesn't have nails through. Okay. Certain parts of that should have nails through it. And I couldn't remember if the door did or not, but it doesn't, so. This one ain't good. Somewhat good. A few of these are crapped out. So, or right next to crapping out. So, that's why I checked. Oh, it's that one that's kind of messed up. Oh, that's a size too big, ain't it? Where did I throw the other bolt at? Yeah. I don't know what I felt like it was loose. Closer. Right there. Oh, that's a really thick sidewall. Oh, we'll find out. Good impact socket, but there's not much space between. There might be enough space there. I don't know. Is there supposed to be a front mount? I don't remember. Crank, kitty crank, kitty crank. Okay, that should not be that strong now. Let me get this one in started at least. I gotta lower that down to do that one. What the hell? Oh no, that's not good. Wonder if they do go on the other way, and I was just being a dumbass and ignored the writing that says right because I thought it looked off. F me. I gotta get something to put on my knees so I don't fucking get them all wet. Oh, what I don't really care about is the mud. Well, I don't really care. My grandma would when she has to wash them. You know, I shouldn't have turned this all the way up. I should have just got it started and then try to get the other one started. You're being a dumbass. That's my weak arm. Some point, I'll get this hooked up. Boom. My dumbass was wrong. And I was blind. Great. Well, time to find some nuts, which... Oh, I should have done that before I put this on. Let's go nut hunting. Better clear my shoe out. My shoes are... Oh. I need new shoes. God damn it. Anyone has any good steel toe boot suggestions? Would be very much appreciated. Those are close. Find out. Unless it's the wrong thread. Wait, that's fine thread, isn't it? Oh, don't tell me that's fine thread. Oh, that's fine thread. Shit. Wait, no. Wait. I can't tell. I think they're just supposed to fit tight. Yeah, that one on. That's thread. Very gentle. So, in case it ain't the right thread, I'm gonna force it on. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. That's going way easy enough. Yeah, that's good. Now it's got dirt on it, so... Well, these all kind of got dirt on them from being on the ground. There we go. Oh, there we go. Well, let me finish this up and I'll show you when it's done. Boom! And I just realized I should put washers under those, but oh well. Sitting there. And now, and I got most of the mount done. I gotta get the drawing back down here, finish welding it up, put it on, mount the engine, hook the chain. Well, so on and so forth, you know what I mean. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.